In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional-looking news website in WordPress, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This method works in 2026, it's beginner-friendly, and you don't need to know any coding at all. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional news or magazine-style website layout ready to publish articles, categories, and breaking news. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress admin area. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your website where you manage everything, including posts, pages, themes, and settings. From the dashboard menu on the left, hover over Appearance, and then click on Themes. This is where you control the design and layout of your WordPress site. On the Themes page, click on the Add New button at the top. WordPress will now show you hundreds of free themes that you can install directly. Since we're building a news website, you want to browse themes that are designed for magazines, blogs, or news portals. You can use the search bar or browse the popular theme section to find suitable options. Look for layouts that feature multiple columns, featured posts, headlines, and category sections. In this example, we're going to use a theme called Newsmag Context Block. Once you find the theme, click Install. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete, and then click Activate. As soon as the theme is activated, your site layout will change to match the theme design. After activation, most news themes will prompt you to install a starter kit or demo importer. This is extremely important because it allows you to import a ready-made news template. Go ahead and click Yes or Install when prompted. Then choose a default news or magazine-style template. Click Import and wait about 60 seconds. When the import is finished, your website will look like a real news portal with sample articles, images, menus, and category sections already in place. Now that the template is installed, you can start customizing your site. Head over to Posts and begin adding your own news articles. Replace the demo content with your own headlines, images, and categories like politics, sports, technology, or entertainment. You can also go to Appearance and then Customize to adjust colors, fonts, logos, and homepage layouts to match your brand. Take your time here and make sure everything looks clean and professional. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to create a news website in WordPress. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to build a news website too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.